Hi there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm going to be sharing a technique that I used to create a really colorful card using the wonderful Wycinanki stamp set. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to emboss my image onto some white smooth cardstock, and I'm just using some Altenew embossing ink, and then I will emboss the images with some platinum embossing powder. You can use whatever embossing powder you want, just pick one you really like. So once I've finished embossing with the embossing ink, I'm going to add my powder. Now the nice thing about embossing ink is that it dries really slowly, so it gives you time to stamp a couple of images and then emboss afterwards. So here you can see how that looks on my card, and all I have to do now is heat set it. Once that is set, I'm going to add a little bit of watercolor, and I'm going to be using the Altenew watercolor artist markers, which I'm going to pop on to my palette, and then I can just take off the color I need and pop it onto my paper. If you want, you can use watercolor paper for this, but because I'm not working too long on the paper, I just use regular paper. But if you want a really nice result, and if you want to play around and blend your colors a little bit more, I would advise to use watercolor paper. So once that is dry, I'm going to pop on my colors, and then I'm just going to pop it between two plates and leave that to dry overnight so it's nice and dry. If you've got any questions or any comments, just pop them in the comment section, and for more information on all the products I have used, please visit the Altenew scrapbook blog. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye and happy scrapping.